boys and girls, there's two things that you need to solve for volume. First thing, you need to know your multiplication facts. It's only going to help you and it'll make your life a lot easier if you memorize them, at least 0 through 12. The next thing you need to learn, or to know, is the volume formula. So let me show you what that is. Now, when we were finding the area, we needed two things. We needed we needed a length and we needed a width. So, area is two-dimensional. It's flat. It's on your paper. So that's where these dimensions are. This is your length, this is your width. For volume, I'm going to put V, big V for volume. And this is a volume of a cube or rectangular prism. We're adding that third dimension, which is called height. You guessed it? You guessed correctly. It's height. So you're going to need to memorize this formula for a rectangle or a square. When you're calculating the volume, you're multiplying a length times a width times a height. If you're not given one of these, then you either have to find one of them or the problem messed up. But these are the three things you need in order to solve for a volume of a cube or rectangular prism. Now, your answers will always be in some unit to the third power, or otherwise known as cubed. Do you know why it's to a 3 and not a 2? Well, let me show you. When you were doing area before, you were only looking at length and a width. But now that we're doing 3D objects, we added another dimension, which is your height. So you need to be responsible for 1, 2, 3 things, dimensions. And that's pretty much the key, the clue, the main thing about volume. That's it. All we need left is to plug in different numbers for those variables or dimensions, and we'll be good to go. So let's go do that now.